Right, so I think we are recording. So I'm just going to show you this action, the things to do to get the batch action for your in Photoshop to adjust multiple images in Photoshop. So what you're going to do, first of all, you've got to open up the Actions panel. So if you go up to Window, find Actions, so you turn on your Actions up here, and the first thing you want to do is create a new action. What you first need to do is have a folder with all the images that you want to adjust, set up, and create a new folder where you want the completed images to land in. So first of all, once you've got that set up, first of all you want to create a new action. So you use this one here. So create a new action. We'll call this one Mukesh 2. And then we can record. So then what you want to do, everything you do from now on will be recorded, and you want to do the whole process, including opening the image, the adjustments, saving the image, and closing the file. So that means that whole sequence will be automated. So start off, if you go File, Open, we'll find the folder. So I've got one called Before. So this is the one with the images that we want to adjust. So you just grab one of those, open it. Once you've got that open, you want to do the adjustments. So we'll go up to File, Auto Contrast, which will just make it look a little bit sharper. And then if we go Auto Color as well, so if there's any weird coloring, it should sort that out. And then finally the main one, which is Trim, which will trim off all the white space. You've got a few options there, so you can trim away just the top or the sides. Just the top and the bottom or just the sides. It's up to you. Best just to set it to do it itself. So let's go OK. Oh, it's not done that. Let's try that again. Oh, hasn't really trimmed it for this one for some reason. You might have a few problems with the trimming function for some of these, but anyway, let's just go ahead. So once we've done that, you need to go File, Save for Web, then choose your quality. I usually go for high or about 60. Make sure it's JPEG. Save for Web, click Save. Running a bit slow. And this is the after folder. So this is the folder where we want the destination of these images to land. So if we just click Save in there, and then before you finish the action recording, oh dear, it's freezing up a bit. You want to close the image. So just close that. Just say Don't Save. And then you can stop the action. So that's that part done. So once you've actually created the action, that's great. We've got it there, Mukesh, and you can see all the different things, parts of the action. I've done trim there twice, so we could probably actually remove that one because we don't need to do it twice. So that's fine. So we've got it there, Mukesh too. Okay, so then the next part is we want to run the batch. So if we go File, Automate, then Batch. Up here you can see the actions. You need to choose your new action. It should, by default, if you've just created one, select that, but just make sure that's selected. Then choose the source folder. So we'll find that. So we've got here Before, so that's correct. We want that, so choose. And then the destination folder. So I've already really selected that, so we can see it here. It's Mukesh After. There's also options for naming the files. So if you don't want it to rename as the existing names that are there, you can probably do like product 1 You can change extensions, make it product one, and product A, product B. I think you probably have to play around with that a little bit to get that right. Also, just make sure when you're overriding open commands, so it doesn't prompt you to say open and close files. You should have these suppressed, or any sort of file opening dialog boxes should be suppressed. So it'll just run the script without interruption. So just make sure those are all selected. So once you're happy with all that, you press OK. Bish bosh bash. There she goes. And happy days. So that's basically run the action for you and hopefully saved you a bit of time. Hope that's easy enough, mate. If you have any more questions, just drop me a line and I can try and explain it a bit better. Okay, see you, mate.